Hi guys, my name is Yusuf and how are you? Today I'm come to how to install the Python. I mean this python.org. This. What we need this Python version is because when we want to like on the VS Code or on the Python when we want to uh, code with the Python, they need a Python version like this that you can code with it. Like the older version of those are little old and it's how I say it's older than the latest version, and if you have like a Python version that is old, you can upgrade that, and today we come to do that. Okay, I search Python, but we have all of the time the python.org put the latest version of the download in here. Okay, when we go in here, yeah, here, they're literally here, like Windows installer 64-bit, 32-bit, and this ARM 64. I pick 64-bit because my computer is 64-bit, I think. Okay, here, when you go and click to the file, wait, that's on another page. Wait. Okay. No, we click on it just to show it. Yeah, it's git run, and we say run. Then we say install now. Cause my Python version is a little bit older too. Then because that I can install it. Okay, it takes a few minutes or maybe a few inches later. Okay, yeah, it's going to complete, but yeah, it's installing and we're waiting for it. And before it's get to install, I go to my PyCharm and show you anything. Today I can do a code wait that link to browser this the Selenium. I learned how to import the Selenium and ta-da! And when you run, it's go on the www.amazon.com. Next one is interacting, or maybe another thing, I don't know. It's go on the wikipedia.org, but we didn't need this one and this one. This is the challenge one. Yeah, and I go in for this. Wait. Oh, it's completed. Uh, but the last one is not complete. Okay, come on, run it. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go to run. Wait, I'll show you. Here, it's in here. This is the real one. I mean, no, this is the one I make that, cause the real Google haven't like this message, like Chrome is being controlled by automatic test software. Okay, then we GAGFHB. Okay, we do this and we finish. We go on this on the Amazon. You can do everything with it. It's like a browser Yeah, and it's linked to browser. It's linked to Chrome browser. You can change it to anything you want. Look, it's Chrome. You can change it to Safari, Firefox, and another another browsers that are I didn't know. And we're oh yeah, it's finished using Python and this. It's how it says how to use it. And the full installer is this one here. Yeah, it says go like this, and then here download free traded, and then you go down and we have this one. Wait, oh, it's finished. Okay, I download that. Okay, we didn't need that. Then when I go in here, here, it's in here now. I don't know why it says server, cause I didn't know this one. What's this? And when you go on this, it says like download Python. No, it's update. Okay, now you finished to download the Python. I think it's get automatically like when you download the latest Python version, it's go automatically matches this Python. I don't know completely, and my computer is get toasted. And okay, wait a minute. I want to talk with you guys so that I didn't be tired of learning. And what we gonna search now? I delete this. Oh, I want to say you guys that I make a project that's for like no, it's for practicing. It's HTML, and I make that on the VS Code, but I like to run it on the Python because on the VS Code I think it gets much like it get error, but on the Python we can't run the like HTML. Okay, where is it? I think this one is that one. It's so full. Is it? No. Yeah, it is. It is. It is so much, okay, because I have lots of links in it. This one, this one, this one, I think this one, maybe, but I didn't know about that. And these are is the final one and finished. Okay, these are is that link, I linked to those, look, this much. And I go on the index, okay? It is so much, like from here, no, wait, here, okay, not this, it's so much, it is like here, this much. Okay, if I run it, open it live server, what is gonna be here? And this is my project. I know this is so like it have lots of length. I know it's get the no 1/5 of the screen, and these are is the last. Okay, guys. This is from my Zoom by IT Services project practice, and you can go on the Zoombyte IT services and get your courses. Okay, it is IT that you can learn IT. Example like Network Plus, CCNA, CCNP, CCIE, CCTV, Security, MTCNA, Python. Not now, but I learned Python with CSS and HTML, and A plus, Windows, and CH. These are is the I don't know. Those are like hybrid learning, Zoombyte rule system plus, and performance training. Like this one, schedule test, and these that you can go and get that from. And this is like my account. It's having any link now for now, but I linked them. Okay, this one is from the Facebook. Yeah, it's Zoombyte Information Technology Services, and I want to say you guys, this is for Afghanistan, like who know Dari and Persian. Okay, this is the United States location of the Zoombyte. I mean branch. This one is the Afghanistan VIP branch, and we haven't the normal branch. Here, these are the videos that you can see on it. Where is my? Oh, we're gonna run it again. One of my problem, I can't see the. I mean, I can't do the solution. Is when you go on a link like this, and when you're mating, yeah, and this, you can't go like on another page that you have the Zoombyte. You gonna go back like this, and this is the YouTube. You can search on it. Wait a minute. Okay, here, if you search Zoombyte IT services, you can find it. And then this is the LinkedIn or LinkedIn. Here, Zoombyte IT services, you can search on it. Next one is Telegram. This is the Telegram. Open Telegram this time. I think mine is working, or maybe not. Wait. But you can search on the Telegram Zoombyte IT services, and my Telegram is not connected. You can see it. Like go on the Telegram and search Zoombyte IT services, on LinkedIn Zoombyte IT services, YouTube Zoombyte IT services, Instagram Zoombyte IT services, and Facebook Zoombyte IT services. And these are is like schedule now and Zoombyte lose rule system. What's this? Okay. And this is the CH that I didn't complete that, but I want to make those. These are is the blank page. When you click on the logos, go on the home again. And thank you for watching this video, and have a good night. I mean, have a good day or have a good night. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment that I know you are in here, cause no one likes me. I mean, no one subscribes me. Please subscribe if you like my videos, and goodbye.